You're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to connect Shopify to CJ Dropshipping. The first thing you want to do once on your admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. And from here, you're going to tap on Apps. After selecting Apps, you're going to tap on App and Sales Channel Settings. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Shopify App Store in the top right-hand corner. After selecting Shopify App Store, from here you can see CJ Dropshipping. You could tap on it right here, but if you don't see it in your popular listing, you could simply tap on the search bar and search for it. After doing that, you can tap on Install. Once you have tapped on Install, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to tap on Install once more. And once CJ Dropshipping has been installed, so we could tap on Authorize right here. Then tap on Confirm. So let's do that real quick. Once you are signed in or signed up, I will be showing you what to do next. So let me sign up real quick. Once you are signed in, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can search for the product that you would like to use, or you could paste in your AliExpress URL as you can see right here. One of the main reasons why CJ Dropshipping is so popular is because they offer you numerous warehouses. So for example, you'll be able to source products from US warehouse, Germany warehouse, Australia warehouse. So wherever your target audience is, more than likely you'll be able to find a warehouse close to them. So this will allow you to offer faster delivery. Now, once on this page, all you'll need to do, you could search for the product that you would like to list. But normally before doing that, what I would recommend you do is go back into Shopify. And from here, you're going to tap on Apps from the left-hand menu option. Then you're going to tap on CJ Dropshipping once more. After tapping on CJ Dropshipping, you're automatically going to be led to this page. And you're going to see Authorization Success. After seeing Authorization Success, you can see that the dashboard has now changed. So all you'll need to do now, from here, you can simply tap on the search bar and you could type in the type of product that you would like to search for. Or you can go over to the left-hand menu option and you can search for the category that you would like to search for a product in. So remember, I had said that I want to create a Shopify store about briefcases. So I'm going to select briefcases once more. And then the briefcase that I'm going to be listing is this one. So I'll tap on list. After tapping on list, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can normally change the warehouse that it is shipped from. But some of the time you won't be able to change it. But you can always alter the shipping method. So you can go through the different shipping methods right here. Keep in mind that with each shipping method that you change, you'll see that estimated delivery time also changes. After doing that, you can select a product type. So I'll tap on Add New right here. Then from there, I'll type in a new product type. So for example, I'll type in bag. Then I'll tap on Confirm. You can also select the collection page. Then from there, you can also select the vendor. I'll leave it as my store. You can also change the price if you want, so you could enter your own suggested price right there, or you could tap on recommended listing price. So that is what I'm going to be doing. After selecting recommended listing price, as you can see there, you can tap on list it now. And you're just going to give it a few seconds. Once it has been listed, I'll show you how it looks on my Shopify store. And that's basically it when it comes on to listing a product from CJ Dropshipping on Shopify. So just give it a few seconds, as you can see right there. See that it has been listed right here. So we'll tap on view it in your store. And you can see the listing right here. So we could scroll down and you could make any other changes you want. But let's view it and see how the product page would look. So we'll tap on more actions, then tap on preview. So this is how the product page looks at the moment. So you can see it right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.